The holiday season is right around the corner, and one of my favorite things to do when my son Phoenix is on school holidays is to cook together. And one of his favorite dishes is this chocolate mousse. It is so simple. There's only 4 ingredients in it and completely eggless, and it's super delicious. And I just get him in there and he gets messy and he makes it himself. So the ingredient that's going to set this, keep it light and fluffy, is corn flour and milk. So I'm going to thicken that one together, kind of like a custard. So heat your pan on a low heat and pop in your milk. So I've added corn flour into the milk, and you just want to bring that one up to a simmer, and that is your thickening agent in this. So that's all come together. It's thickened up nicely, and you want to cool this one down because once you're adding in the other ingredients, it will knock out the air, so you want to make sure that it's cooled down. Pop that into my bowl. And we have here some melted down chocolate and some freshly whipped cream. And I'm just going to fold the 3 of those together. Now I want to just add a little bit of a side salad with this one. So a fruit salad, I've got some orange segments, some fresh mint. I'm going to chop those up and make a little bit of a salad. Where's the mint? Pop that in. I just want to put a tiny bit of icing sugar. And there is our macerated oranges. And now it's cooled down, so my thickened milk has cooled down. I'm going to add in my chocolate, and with the cream it's a bit of a process. So now our next third of cream, now be a little bit more gentle and fold. So go from the bottom of the bowl up to the top, and you want to make sure you keep it nice and light and fluffy because that's the best kind of chocolate mousse. So with this you can find yourself some sort of a cup, and I'm going to add in my piping bag. So now we'll pop in our chocolate mousse. You can see it's nice and light and airy. So that is ready to go. And I'm piping it into glasses so it's nicely portioned out. Now place that one into the fridge to chill. So my mousse has been in the fridge for about an hour now, so it's chilled and it's time to taste. Perfect. So we'll place our salad on the side. And we're all done. I am placing some pista on top for a little bit of crunch, so crushed pistachios. But when chocolate mousse gets in front of me, seriously, the child comes alive and I can't hold back. So while I polish this one off, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Sarah's Table.